Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Dodge Avenger key fob. This specific method is for adding a new key fob when you already possess two working, programmed keys. If you only have one or no working keys, professional assistance from a dealer or locksmith will be necessary. Let's get started with the steps. To begin, insert your first working, programmed key into the ignition. Turn the ignition switch to the on position for 3 to 15 seconds, then turn it OFF and remove the key. Immediately, within 15 seconds, insert your second working key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. After about 10 seconds, you will hear an audible chime, and the immobilizer warning lamp will illuminate. Turn the ignition to OFF and remove the second key. Now, within 60 seconds, insert your new, unprogrammed key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. After approximately 10 seconds, another audible chime will sound, and the immobilizer lamp will illuminate for 3 seconds, confirming successful programming. Turn the ignition to OFF and remove the key. Remember to test all your key fobs, including the newly programmed one, to ensure they function correctly. You can repeat these steps for additional keys.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.